So there's a fire. It looks like we probably just started, and it's a big fire somewhere in.
Is that fire?
Where is that?
I heard there was one in
Otay.
Otay? I don't know
Otay.
if that's the direction.
Otay Mesa. Like in the Otay Mountains. Can anybody tell me where that is, folks? This is today's Thursday. It's in the evening. It's very smoky. Actually, I can see, believe it or not, if the fire, I'm watching the fire right now from over here. I can see the red flames. Actually, I just saw red flames. You can't see it on the video, but I can see it, and that is really far. So those flames, they gotta be like really, really, really high of some sort.